Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. So, we are going to start our GK in class 4B. Okay, we are going to start Unit 2 for our half yearly syllabus. We are going to start from Unit 2. This is people and places. Alright. So, you see, we are going to start page number 15. Okay, 15 and 16 we are going to do in today's class. Today's this is unit 2, people and places. We are going to start women political leaders. You can see the pictures of different women political leaders. Okay, these famous women are outstanding achievers in politics. In politics they have achieved something great. Okay, we are going to study about them. Can you name them? You can take help from the help box. You see at the end there is a help box. From there you can see the names. I have already written here the names. You can see first one, she is Burmese opposition politician known worldwide for her leadership and commitment to human rights in Myanmar. She has spent many years under house arrest. House arrest means inside the house she was arrested. She cannot go out of the house. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her non-violent resistance to the military dictatorship in Myanmar. Just imagine, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, so her name is, what is her name? Her name is Aung San Suu Kyi. You see, her name is Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay, Aung San Suu Kyi. Okay, you can see the pictures here, the images you can see. Alright, let me tell you that she was born on 19th June 1945 in Rangoon. That was that time British Burma. Okay, now it is Yangon, Myanmar. Because she was born in June 1945, where she was born, that time it was Rangoon, that was known as British Burma. Okay, now it is Yangon, Myanmar. Okay, with which party she was associated? Okay, with which party? So she was associated with National League for Democracy. This political party, she was associated or attached. Okay, National League for Democracy. So you can see her picture here. She was Burmese opposition politician. She was known worldwide, alright, for her leadership and commitment to human rights in Myanmar. Alright, now let us move to second one. Now you see, second one is Benazir Bhutto. Okay, she was a Pakistani politician and was the first woman elected to lead a Muslim country. Okay, she was the first woman elected to lead a Muslim country because Pakistan is a Muslim country. Okay, she served 2 terms as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. 2 terms she served. Alright, she was Pakistan's first and only female Prime Minister to date. Till date. To date means till date, till today. She was Pakistan's first and only female Prime Minister. After that there was no female Prime Minister. Alright, so you can see here Benazir Bhutto. Alright, you can see her image of Benazir Bhutto. Okay, she was born on 21 June 1953. Okay, she was born on 21 June 1953. Alright, now we'll move to next. You can see her image. This is Benazir Bhutto. Alright, see third one. She is from our country. She is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Okay, so you can see she was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. She was assassinated by her bodyguard. Assassinated means she was killed by her bodyguard. She has been voted the greatest woman of the past 1000 years in a poll by BBC News Online. You see BBC, that is a news channel, you can say BBC. Okay, so you can, she has been voted the greatest woman of the past 1,000 years. Actually, she was a very strong political leader of our country, Indira Gandhi. Okay, see, Indira Gandhi, she was born on 19th November 1917. I will show you some images of Indira Gandhi. See, these are the pictures of Indira Gandhi, the first woman prime minister of our country, India. You can see. Okay, before marriage, her name was Indira Priyadarshini. She was the daughter of our beloved prime minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You all know, isn't it? So she was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, you can see, and she was the first woman prime minister of our country, India. All right. See, next one, number 4. This is, she was the first woman in the world to serve as a prime minister. Okay, she was the first woman in the world. Just imagine, she became the prime minister of Sri Lanka in 1960. When she became the prime minister of Sri Lanka in 1960, her daughter was the first woman president of Sri Lanka. And her daughter was the first woman president. Okay, she is Sri Mavo Vandara Naike. Sri Mavo Vandara Naike. Okay, her name, she was the first woman in the world to serve as a prime minister. Okay, of Sri Lanka. All right. You can see her different images, different pictures of Sri Mavo Vandara Naike. Okay, when she was born on April 17th. She was born on April 17th, 1916. Okay, she was born on April 17th and the year was 1916. Okay, where she was born? Ratnapura. She was born in Ratnapura, Ceylon. Okay, now it is Sri Lanka. Now Ratnapura, Ceylon is Sri Lanka. She was born there. Okay. See, number 5 is Begum Khaleda Zia. Alright, she is a Bangladeshi politician. Begum Khaleda Zia, she is a Bangladeshi politician who was the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh from 1991 to 1996 and again from 2001 to 2006. So, twice she became the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Okay, she is the widow of the former President General Ziaur Rahman. She is the widow, means her husband was General Ziaur Rahman, who is no more. Okay, so she is Begum Khaleda Zia. She was born on August 15, 1945. Okay, in Dinajpur, East Bengal, India. Where she was born in Dinajpur, East Bengal, India. Now it is in Bangladesh. Alright, so she is Begum Khaleda Zia. You can see her different images here. Okay, she is Khaleda Zia. Alright, Begum Khaleda Zia. Let me tell you once again that she was born on 15th August 1945. Okay, in Dinajpur, East Bengal, India. Now in Bangladesh. Now this place, that is Dinajpur, this is in Bangladesh. Now that was, at that time when she was born, it was in India, but now it is in Bangladesh. Okay, so she is Begum Khaleda Zia. Okay, 6th number is Margaret Thatcher. Okay, she was the first woman Prime Minister of Great Britain and served 3 consecutive terms in office. She was the first woman Prime Minister. She was also the Prime Minister of Great Britain and served 3 consecutive terms in office. 3 consecutive terms she has served continuously. Okay, she was one of the dominant political figures of the 20th century Britain. Dominant, she dominated, means she was very powerful political leader. Okay, she was one of the dominant, very powerful political figures of 20th century. Okay, this is 21st century, so of the last century, you can say. All right, so when she was born on 13th October 1925, and the place where she was born, that is Grantham, it is in United Kingdom. All right. You can see different images of Margaret Thatcher. Okay, let me tell you once again that she was born on 13th October 1925. All right. And where she was born? She was born in Grantham in United Kingdom. You can see different pictures of Margaret Thatcher. Okay, let us move on. Next picture you see, number 7. She was the 4th Prime Minister of Israel. Okay, and one of the most visible women in international affairs for nearly 2 decades. Alright, who is she? She is Gold Meir. Alright, she was born on May 3rd, 1898 in Kiev. Okay, Ukraine. Then part of Russia. At that time it was part of Russia where she was born. Okay, so you see she was the 4th Prime Minister of Israel. Okay, she was who she was? She was the 4th Prime Minister of Israel, Gold Meir. You can see her picture. This is her picture. Actually her name is Golda Meir. Okay, her name is Golda Meir. This is her picture in March 1973. Alright, she was the 4th Prime Minister of Israel. Who she was? She was the 4th Prime Minister of Israel. Okay. Alright. So she was born on May 3rd May 1898 in Kiev. Alright, Ukraine. You know, this is Ukraine is a country. Then it was part of Russia. Alright. Okay, next one you see. She is Hillary Clinton. Okay, she is Hillary Clinton. She was a leading candidate for the presidential election in United States in 2008. She was a leading candidate means she also stood for the elections for the post of president. Okay, from 2009 to 2013, she was the 67th Secretary of the State serving under President Barack Obama. Who was then president? President was Barack Obama. She served the office at that time. She was the 67th Secretary of the State serving under President Barack Obama. Okay. You can see her picture is given here. Clinton in 2016. This is in the year of 2016. 11th Chancellor of Queen's University, Belfast. You can see her different images here. Even her young age image is given here. You can see the images of Hillary Clinton. Okay, when she was born on 26th October 1947. She was born on 26th October 1947. Place of birth is Edgewater Hospital, Chicago. Okay, this is Edgewater Hospital, Chicago. Okay. Alright, so here we are talking about Hillary Clinton. Different images of Hillary Clinton you can see. Alright, now you see here one IQ question is there, that did you know Savita Kovind is the first lady of India. So who is the first lady of India? The first lady of India is Savita Kovind. And why is she the first lady of India? Because her husband is the President of India, Ramnath Kovind. He is the President of India, and President's wife, she is known as the First Lady of India. She is Savita Kovind. Okay. IQ question is also given here, that who is the first head of newly created UN Women? Who is the first head of the newly created UN Women? So the answer is Michelle Bachelet. Okay, the answer is Michelle Bachelet. She is the first head of the newly created UN Women. Okay, alright. President of Chill, she is President of Chill, that is Michelle Bachelet. Okay, alright students, so we have completed this. Alright, you please do all these things in your GK copies. This is page number 15 and 16 we have done. So you please do it in your GK copies. Women political leaders. Alright. Thank you.